It's Justin with Find My Accident with a bit of sad news to share with you this morning. This is out of Boone County, Missouri. On Sunday, September 25th, Audra Snyder was traveling on Interstate 70 when a vehicle crossed the median and struck her car. Ms. Snyder was fatally injured. She was well known for breeding golden retrievers. In fact, her family has already shared a photo with us. You can check it out right there. Feel free to share your thoughts and memories of Ms. Snyder using our comments feature. If you or someone you know has been involved in an accident, we're here to help. You can visit our partners page and check out some of the groups that we work with who are equally committed to safety. Also, we neither encourage nor discourage lawsuits, but if you're interested in talking to an attorney, we can also recommend someone. Thanks for visiting Find My Accident. Safe travels.